The owners, they had a vision of living off the land. They had a vision of the good life, I guess. So they found this property, which has a lot of attributes, but one of them is a big vegetable garden. The house is made up of two long rectangular structures. One houses the bedroom wing and the other one is an office wing, and then the gabled form floats over the top of those and the living and kitchen area sit underneath. Well, the floating gable form is wrapped on two sides with sliding doors, and you can actually open them right up. So in fact you do literally on two sides have a floating gable. And what we're looking at is the Coromandel Ranges, and in particular the Pinnacles. They are a very spectacular mountain range. The house is oriented so that the main living spaces in the main bedroom capture that view and frame that view. The kitchen window is effectively the splashback of the kitchen, and you look outside to the eastern courtyard, which I always pictured, having a cup of coffee in the morning out there, and then the view from there or from that kitchen window is down to the garden. So there's a real visual connection between kitchen and garden.